Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to present our paper entitled Filtration and Electrocoagulation as a Combined Process for Electroplating Wastewater. Our team, Rusdiana Sari, Adi Sadani, Muhammad Taufik, and Johan Rimbo. Background this research. Electroplating or gilding is a method of coating a solid material with a metal layer by letting the electrical current flow through an electrolyte solution. The strong metal waste from the electroplating process is contained in B3 waste, hazardous toxic material. The direct disposal of waste from the electroplating process to the environment without prior treatment can cause environmental pollution. This contaminant can contaminate microorganisms and their environment in the form of solution, colloid, and other type of particle. Given the significance and magnitude of the environmental effect, treatment is required before waste effluent is discharged into the environment. Research purpose. The first, characterizing electroplating wastewater before and after treatment with a combination of filtration and electrocoagulation processes, including total dissolved solid, pH, conductivity, and metal content of chrome and nickel. Determine of the optimum process time and electrode distance in determining the effectiveness of the combination of the filtration and electrocoagulation processes. Hypothesis. The waste from the electroplating process is heavy metal waste, which is included in B3 waste, hazardous toxic material. An alternative that can be used for electroplating waste treatment is a combination of filtration and electrocoagulation processes. Electrocoagulation is a method that is efficient and easy to operate to reduce heavy metal levels through electrolysis. Research was conducted to determine the characteristic of electroplating wastewater prior to and after treatment with a combination of filtration and electrocoagulation processes. The parameters observed were TDS, pH, conductivity, and chrome and nickel content. Aluminum plate as an electrode with dimension of 22. The instrument used in this study included a range of electrocoagulators, waterproof CyberScan, atomic absorption spectrophotometer, and ICP. This is the combination and filtration and electrocoagulation process for electroplating wastewater equipment. Result. We have 5. The result of this research. The first, effect of electrode distance and processing time on TDS. The second, effect of electron distance and processing time on pH. The third, effect of electrode distance and processing time on conductivity. The fourth, effect of electron distance and processing time on chrome metal. And the last, effect of electrode distance and processing time on nickel metal content. The conclusion of the research. The first, the result of the characteristic of electroplating wastewater after being treated with filtration and electrocoagulation process show change. We can see the table. We have 5 parameters and the value of before treatment and after treatment. The second conclusion, the process time and electrode distance in the electrocoagulation process affect the quality of the electroplating wastewater treated. The optimum condition for determining of the effectiveness of the electrocoagulation process are 150 minutes processing time, and 1 centimeter electrode distance. Research implication. The first, helping small industry in overcoming problem with electroplastic wastewater treatment with filtration and electrocoagulation process. The second, assisting the government in reducing environmental pollution by treating electroplating wastewater so that it fulfill environmental quality standard. Thank you very much for your attention.